Hey guys, welcome back. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to create a channel and categorize on Fluxer. So now first what we need to do is we need to be the owner of a community. So let's go and do that. Here at the left side, you will see this plus button where it says add a community. Click on it, and then here you can join community, import Discord template, or create community. So let's create a community. Okay. And name this like that. Create community, just like that. Now, right here in this community, we can build new categories. And how we do that, right here where you see this general voice channel and so on, we can text channels, create channel. You can click on that, and here you will then create a channel. So you will select text channel, voice channel, link channel, or you can right click on it and you have also the option create channel and create category, which we are for. So let's say we name the category pictures, create category, and it will be right over here. As you can see now, it's down here, and now we can add some picture into it from, let's say, whatever our group is working on. So let's say we are photographers. So what I'm going to do now here in the categories pictures, I will create text channel. Let's say something like that. And now I will paste in one image, for example. If we'll go through, and just like that, now we can put our pictures into these categories. And yeah, this is basically it. So I hope this video helped you out. If you did, consider to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next.